Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas like Mexican restaurants. First, gather your ingredients. Opt for fresh, high-quality components like authentic Mexican cheese, such as Oaxaca or Monterey Jack, which melts beautifully. Also, select soft, pliable corn or flour tortillas about 6 inches in diameter for the best texture and fold. These foundational choices are key to achieving that delicious, restaurant-quality flavor and consistency. Now let's get cooking. Place a tortilla on a preheated griddle over medium heat. Warm it for about 15 to 20 seconds on each side to make it pliable. Then, sprinkle approximately 1/4 cup of your chosen cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. You can add a pinch more if you like, but avoid overfilling. Cook until the cheese starts to melt and bubble, indicating it's ready for the next step. Once the cheese is melting, it's time for fillings. If you're adding cooked chicken, seasoned beef, or sautéed vegetables, place a small amount on top of the cheese. Remember, less is often more to ensure even cooking and easy folding. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the cheese and filling. Press down gently with a spatula. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes per side until both sides are golden brown and slightly crispy. For the best experience, serve your quesadillas immediately after cooking. Cut them into 2 or 3 wedges for easy handling and sharing. A warm, fresh quesadilla with perfectly melted cheese is truly a delight. For those busy days, consider making a larger batch of fillings in advance. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep even easier, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals, to help you stay organized in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.